दोस्तों वीडियो के शुरू होने से पहले मैं आसान से वीडियो बताना चाहूँगा कि आप चैट जीपीटी के थ्रू आप वीडियो कैसे बना सकते हो, वो भी 2 मिनट में। तो अगर आप लोग ऐसे वीडियो बनाना चाहते हो, मूवीज़ बनाना चाहते हो, तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना, यूट्यूब ज्ञान 3.0। चलिए मैं आप सभी लोग को बताऊँ कि आप चैट जीपीटी के थ्रू आप कैसे वीडियोज़ बना पाओगे, वो भी 2 मिनट के अंदर। ऐसे वीडियो देखने के लिए सब फॉलो करना मुझे। आप लोगों को कोई नहीं बताएंगा ट्रिक क्या है, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी चैट जीपीटी से आप मूवीज को एआई में कन्वर्ट कैसे कर सकते हो। तो चलते हैं वीडियो की ओर।
What if you can generate a complete animated story with just a single prompt? Sounds impossible, right? But now this is possible, and all you need to do, just type a basic idea and the AI will handle all of the heavy lifting, from the script writing with generating the images and then animating those images with all of the leading AI video generators like the Minimax, 𝐤𝐤𝐴I, Luma AI and a lot of other options. So I'm very excited. Let's dive in. So the tool that made it possible is the Focal ML, and this is the website. This is the URL 𝐸𝐴𝐼.com, and if I scroll down, this is what the interface would look like. Now in the prompt bar you have to define your basic idea, and if you want to get some inspiration from the AI, you can click on this idea and the AI will randomly generate some ideas for you. But we're gonna go with our own idea. So for example, I have an idea in my mind that a story of an old farmer who found a dragon egg and then raised a dragon for years, and then the adult dragon attacks the village and the farmer had to kill his own dragon to protect his family. So this is the basic idea of our story. And next we have the option to select the language. So if you click on this English, you can see we have different languages like the Mandarin Chinese, Hindi, Spanish, French, Arabic, Bengali, Urdu, Punjabi and German. So this is a list of the languages that this AI tool supports. So for now let's go with the English, and once you have done, click on this arrow and the AI will start generating the script for you. And now you can see the AI has generated a full-length script with story, with dialogues, with image prompt, each and everything in it. Now if you want to expand this, you also have this option. You can click on this expand button and the AI will expand the script further. But I'm okay with this one, so I'm going to click on the continue. So first of all, let's give it a name, a farmer and a dragon. Then we have different styles. So we have the photorealistic styles, screenshot from an anime, like you can also create this in an anime style. We have the 90s, 80s style, Sherlock Holmes. So we have different styles. You can also select your own style, but if you want to create your 9. Next, we also have the option to add the captions or not. And next we have the characters and their locations. So if you click on the regenerate the characters and the location, the AI will automatically generate the consistent characters based on the script. So now you can see the AI has generated all of the characters with these scenes. So this is the Thomas, our farmer. This is the dragon named Storm. I think she's her wife. And then we have the locations. Now the AI will automatically generate some of the voices for you. But if you want to change the voice, it all depends on you. So if I click on that, you can see we have different voices. So you can also select them manually, but I would like to go with the AI and hit create project. So here you can see we have an editor with the timeline in it. Now to generate it, you have to click on the generate 3 chapters, and the AI will automatically generate the characters, scenes and all of different things that require to make this video will be done in just a couple of minutes. Alright, so the videos for our first chapter has been generated with the images, script and voiceover, and let me play this for you.
Farmhouse, nestled against rolling hills, where old Thomas had worked the land for 50 years.
So here you can see we have some gaps here. So we can easily fill those gaps by just dragging and dropping the clips together. So this is the thing that you have to work after all, but other than that, the AI will handle all of the heavy lifting for you. So if I play this again.
Nestled against rolling hills, where old Thomas had worked the land for 50 years. One frosty morning, while tilling a remote...
So you can see this clip was not animated, so somehow it skipped that frame, but we can easily animate that later. Well, you can also choose between the video generation model. So on the left side you can see we have the styles option, so you can also change the style after all. Then we have the voices. You can also change the voices even after generating the video. And then if you go to the settings option, you can see we have the image generation model, so you can also switch between the image generation. So by default this is the Flux Dev. You can also upgrade this to the Flux Pro version 1.1. It all depends on you. Then we have the every single famous AI video generation model. So you can use the Luma's Dream Machine, Minimax AI, Runway ML Gen 3. Then we also have the 𝐤𝐤𝐴I's standard version and the Pro version. So it all depends on you which one you want to choose. Then we can also select the audio model. So by default this is the 11 Labs multilingual model. You can also switch to the 11 Labs turbo model. It depends on you. Alright, so our clip has been animated, and if I play this one more time, you can see
farmhouse, nestled against rolling hills, where old Thomas had worked the land for 50 years. One frosty morning, while tilling a remote corner of his field, his plow struck something that gleamed like polished obsidian. An egg, large as a watermelon, warm to the touch despite the winter chill, cradling it like a precious stone.
Thomas, what have you brought home this time?
I found it in the field. It's warm to the touch, even in this cold.
You know I don't like you bringing strange things home, Thomas.
So there are a few gaps in the audio that you can easily fix by just splitting the frames. So this was just a first chapter of this story. Now to save our time, I have already generated a full project. So this is a different story called A Samurai Vow of Revenge, who is taking revenge of his wife. So let me play this from start.
The mountains are peaceful today, Sakura.
As are our hearts, Takeshi. May we always find solace here.
Stay close. We fight together.
Always.
Sakura. For you, Sakura, I will return. Sakura, I swear to the gods I will not rest until Matsuda pays for what he has done. Sakura, I will bring justice. Your spirit will be avenged.
Yamamoto, I knew you would come.
For Sakura. And she is avenged. Revenge is a hollow victory, but the lessons it teaches are eternal.
So in the initial, the AI has generated a lot of clips, but I just trimmed all of these clips and tried to combine that script and the videos all together. So this was a short tutorial on how you guys can generate the full story-based videos in just a single prompt. So that's it from today. I hope you guys enjoyed something new. And if you guys did, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.